Do you wish your home was more organized, but you feel overwhelmed at the idea of getting started? Let's do it the easy way. I have some guidelines for you that are going to help you organize your home in a way that fits with your life and your energy. And that's what makes it doable long term instead of stressing you out with a really big project that makes you feel like it's too much to handle. So, the first guideline is less stuff equals easier organizing. When you have less to organize, you don't need to spend so much time and effort doing the organizing because you already have space in your home to fit everything and to give each item a proper place to really belong. Declutter regularly. You don't have to do a really big declutter session if you don't want to. You can just pop one bag or one box in a corner of your home, and as you go through the week, you just add items to it that you know you don't need anymore. Things that don't get used very much, or toys that don't get played with anymore, or clothes that don't fit. You can keep it really, really simple. No big mission, just one bag or box, and add to it as you go. The next guideline is one small step at a time. Setting aside a few days to go on a massive organizing mission, that's just going to put you into overwhelm and make your home feel messier than ever. So instead, you could think of this as a long term change, not a really big project. And you can do small steps like organizing one shelf of one cupboard whenever you're chatting on the phone, or listening to a YouTube video, or waiting for the oven to heat up before you cook dinner. You can take those little idle moments and make them useful by doing tiny, tiny steps. So declutter your wallet one day, declutter your handbag another day. On another day, just pick one bathroom drawer and go through that. You'll find that these small spaces, they add up over time to really big results, but they don't feel like a lot of effort in the moment. The next guideline is whenever you bring something new in, take something old out. So if you buy a new pair of shoes, let another pair go. If you get a new winter coat, donate the old one. If you buy a whole new set of coffee mugs, say goodbye to the previous ones. You don't need to keep all of them. That's what causes clutter. It's that keeping of things that we don't really use. So get into the habit of rotating or processing the items in your home instead of collecting them. The last guideline is to pay attention to how you feel and then break down your job into simple steps. So if you feel cranky every time you walk past the freezer and you see that clutter hotspot, all the things dumped on top of it, if that's making you feel bad when you see it, then today is the perfect day to deal with it. And you can keep it really simple and do it in 4 steps. Step 1 is take rubbish out. Step 2 is put things away that don't belong there. Step 3 is spray and wipe the surface. And then step 4 is to put anything back that actually belongs in that spot. If you get frustrated trying to cram all your socks into your sock drawer, that's when you know it's time to declutter your socks. So keep it simple. Dump them out, match the pairs, let go of the ones with no match or the ones that you don't wear regularly, and then fold the rest and put them back in the drawer. Or if you hate opening the fridge because of how messy it looks, that's when you know it's time to do a bit of a clear out. So you can do simple steps here too. Take your rubbish or your expired items out first and then just clean one shelf at a time. And as you do each shelf, put things back in neatly. And you can break this up over the day and just do one shelf in 5-minute lots instead of the whole fridge at once. If you can't stand walking past the kids' bedrooms, that's when you know it's time for them to clean them. Now the steps are easy, but do them one by one. Rubbish out, dirty washing in the washing basket, then make the bed, then put other things away, then do your dusting or spraying and wiping, and lastly, handle the floors. And remember, you can break that up into small steps throughout the day instead of doing it all in one big session. That's what makes it easier. I hope you found this helpful, and if you're ready for the next steps in organising your home and your life the easy way, you might want to check out my popular House and Family Binder. It's a really simple set of prints that you can download and print out, and they're going to help you run your household without stress and overwhelm. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.